Good morning. Which hoop would you invest in if you don't know anything about hooping but are fascinated and you want to start hooping? Most people will go for this. It's very light. It looks less intimidating. It looks like it's not going to hit you too hard. Some people may go for the medium one. This one is so huge. It's coming to my chest, and this is something that most beginners will avoid. But let me tell you, this is the best hoop that you may invest if you're investing if you're a beginner. So let's see the science behind this. You know belly dancing. So you see those women wearing those nice, pretty bells with a lot of those metallic trinkets which even jingle and make those nice chiming sounds. So it's not just for the prettiness that they wear it. It also helps facilitate the hip movement as you go around, and the body has a memory of that. Belly dance is isolating the movement in different parts of the hips and having a circular motion that looks undulating, wavy, and very uh, connected. So similarly, a heavy hoop creates that visceral memory, the physical memory for your body to understand that when you're moving, when you're hooping, and the hoop has to touch the body in all of its circular motion. That is extremely difficult for a beginner. So it's very jerky, and so even though you may intend it, your body has virtually no experience of that. So having a heavy hoop creates a connection between your intention and your experience. So slowly you'll feel the confidence that comes from this visceral memory that the body begins to remember about the motion. So go for this rather than these two. And this big hoop comes in handy when you do shoulder hooping. No matter how much of an expert you are at waist hooping, shoulder hooping is another different level altogether. And the same logic works with a heavy hoop when you go into shoulder hooping as well. I'll come back to you later to demonstrate how these hoops feel and how the movement is generated in each of them. I hope this helps.